Today I want to take a little bit of time and I want to go over how to get logged back into the parent portal once you've gotten yourself locked out. Once you talk to me, Mr. Schroering, and have your account reset, you're going to have to go in and re-authenticate that account, which means you have to do a couple things. First off, I'm going to go in and put in my username, then the password, which is for the most part always going to be change.1234. The problem is when you go to authenticate it, this pops up. Now, I need to point out something to you. I am looking at this window in Windows Explorer. This little card down here, which I'm supposed to read and then type the letters down this small space, this card in Windows Explorer is not where it's supposed to be. It should be all the way over here on the left-hand side, which means that some of the letters or numbers are probably getting cut off. Now, to deal with this, what I do is I use a different browser. In this case, I'll show you what it looks like if I use Google Chrome. I'll go in and I will put in my username and my password. I hit enter, I get the same screen I did just a moment ago, but now the card is actually where it's supposed to be so I can see all of the letters. So I gotta go back and put them in again. And then here's a very key point. These letters over here are case sensitive, and what that means is if it's lowercase, you have to type it lowercase, uppercase, uppercase. The problem is some letters are hard to tell. Now, it just so happens that I've got all letters that are easy to tell. But let me refresh this once and see if I can get an example here. Alright, this letter K, that could be a capital K or it could be a lowercase k. I really don't know. So I'll just keep on refreshing it until I know I've got a letter I can use. Again, here's a V, capital or lowercase. I don't know. S, same thing. So let's go through until we find letters. Looks like I found one right here where I can tell whether it's uppercase or lowercase. So now I'll just put in my capital G, J, D, E, V, Q, R. And now I'm in.